This is a shoe that I've seen quite a bit, and I've always wanted to try a pair, and now I got a pair in a box. I don't even know how this happened. I don't know if they reached out to us or what, but got a Meanforme box and a Sumus garments. Sumus. In Latin, Sumus means we are. So, Sumus. Let's see what they sent us. Into the box of knives. The James knife. This was part of the baby knife series, but it showed up late, so I don't even think it's in the video. So it doesn't have a belt clip, but I really like the James brand stuff. They make really, really nice stuff. I've been a fan of the James knife brand for a while. Just never had an opportunity to work with them until we bought the knife. Okay, Sumus. Let's see what's what. I don't know how to get into this box. The thing that's nice about this is you can just keep just the tip out. You can put the full length out. You know, it locks into place. So, you know, if you're just opening up boxes and you don't want to worry about like cutting past the cardboard. Makes it really easy to guide the knife without worrying about getting into like the actual guts of the box. For instance, as I cut the fabric. For instance, I almost cut through the fabric. That was a demonstration, all right? Well, that was lucky. Either that or this fabric's pretty durable because I didn't rip it. Cut it. sorry, Sumus. Whoa, sent us a bunch. Come back, Jack, come back. I love these little handwritten letters. Hey guys, super stoked and happy to be working with y'all. Hope we can do great things together. Much love to the whole Anvil team. So nice. All right, we got a lot. Sent us a bunch. Stuff that we didn't cut through. That was a dangerous demonstration because I knew it was like fabric stuff on the inside. Ooh, look at these. That's cool. I like that vibrant blue color. It's like that French work shirt blue. I think these are CS001 cargo shorts, made from breathable, water-repellent Italian fabric, adjusted with elastic waist, adjustable cord of the waist, back pockets with zipper. That's cool, especially if you go to like concerts and stuff. You want to like keep your stuff a little bit more secure. 2 lateral cargo pockets with Velcro closures. Yeah, these are nice. Let's throw them on real quick. What size are they? Might be big for me. These are XL. They won't fit me. I either wear large or mediums. I'll throw them on. I gotta at least show you what they look like. But pretty good though. Actually, I could probably still wear these. They're just a little bit like overly baggy on me. I like the length of them though, because like the longer shorts are kind of in right now. Style changes so freaking fast. 97 euros, so pretty pricey. Please don't be an XL. Oh, large. All right, let's see if the large fits better. Yeah, large fits better for sure. I still might want to do like a medium in these. But I think I could wear both these just fine, actually. They kind of remind me of like the same material as Dickies. Nice. All right. So that was the same thing, just in a tan color. Okay, what's this? Nice hoodie. Hoodie sweatshirt, 89 euros, made with heavyweight 100% cotton Italian fleece. It has a Raglan sleeve. What? Raglan sleeve and adjustable. What is that? Raglan sleeve? A sleeve that extends in one piece fully to the collar. Oh, okay. So instead of it like the fabric of the front going up to here and the sleeve being sewn in, it goes all the way to the top, so you don't have any of these seams at the top. That's cool. Ooh, I'd like to fit that. Beanie. So I like, anytime like a brand's like, hey, we're not just making fast fashion, we're actually making like stuff that matters, that like out of sustainable materials or high quality materials or locally sourced materials, like any of that stuff that they really go above and beyond, I really like. Fully swagged out. Nice little beanie. Oh man, this fits a bunch. Some socks. 17 bucks for a pair of socks. Okay. What is this? Ooh, some trousers. Oh, these are XLs too. Well, maybe they'll fit. Too hot, I gotta take these off. Yeah, it's way too big. I got like 2 of my body lengths. I could have an extra leg in there. But I do like these little closures. Too bad they're the wrong size. The problem is they don't have belt loops, so I can't put a belt on to make them work. It has this little pocket here for your phone, double knee, and what is this? Whoa, this is weird. I've never even seen anything like this. Got like this, looks like denim on the front, but then you have like this stretchy like mesh material on the side. The AN002 pullover jacket half zip collar. Made with an Italian cotton fabric that has been treated for water repellency. This fabric has been lined with a PES/PU film on the inside to protect you from the elements. Oh, so it's like a waterproof, like pullover. All right, let's try this one on. Well, my pants fall down. Might be the classiest like water-resistant pullover of all time. Ooh, I like that. That's nice. I don't know what these are every time. Mostly just feeling how much it moves in my arms. Yeah, that's cool. Oh, I just got my skin in it. Ouch. Shout out to Sumus. Shout out to Sumus. Pretty cool stuff. Really different, unique materials, unique patterning. Like, really, really unique. These are all of our handmade wallets that we sew right here in the shop, cut out right here in the shop, and we don't use sewing machines. We do it the old school way with the saddle sewing technique that they use to make saddles instead of the sewing machine. It's one piece of thread, 2 needles, and weaving in and out of the thread all the various colors from tan, light brown, medium brown, dark brown, and black, but more importantly, the various wallets. So starting with the smallest and the first, the one that really launched the brand on Kickstarter, the Claude wallet, 2 pockets, 1 shorter pocket and a bigger pocket behind with the rolled edge so you can hold more cards. Same thing with the slim wallet, it's just a redesign of this. Same concept, 2 pockets, rolled edge for the bigger pocket. Then the Big Daddy version of the Slim, the SBB, that we actually made this pattern for the shattered backboard cut in half way early in the YouTube days, but it has 2 card pockets in the front and that bigger cash pocket with the rolled edge. Then to the Swayze, the one I use probably most every single day. So it's got 4 card pockets so you can really partition off and separate your cards. And if that's not enough card room and you want a little cash room, you can go to the Togo. 2 big pockets where you can store cash folded once and 4 card pockets. If you're old school and you want the traditional bifold, same concept here, but you've got 6 cash pockets with these little hidden pockets back here and that cash slot there, traditional bifold. And the biggest daddy of them all, the travel wallet, a little spot for your boarding pass and your passport, your ID, all your credit cards, all the junk that you're gonna accumulate on the trip, even this little hidden pocket right there. So check these all out below. Now to Meanforme. Meanforme. Our story, born in the city of Manchester, England, Meanforme is dedicated to crafting unique, very well-made footwear. Our passionate team brings together decades of experience in footwear design, engineering, and manufacturing. The thing that's interesting to me is like I've never seen a shoe with a crepe rubber sole built even close to this. Like I think there's some that have like certain aspects of it, but this is the first and only one I've seen that does this. So Meanforme. We got an explanation. Every brand that has a weird name or a unique brand name should have somewhere on their website how to pronounce it and where it comes from, because I love that. I want to know the history of the name of the brand. Like we probably don't have it on our website to be honest, but like I like knowing like what's the inspiration, where'd the name come from. So Meanforme, what does Meanforme mean? The term Meanforme harks back to tradition. In the early days of shoemaking, a Meanforme served as the foundation for creating upper patterns. It was a paper tape silhouette of the shoe last applied to pattern paper. The quality of the shoe fit and finish depends on the precision of this form. While technology has evolved, we remain true to our roots, using hand-engineered form and traditional methods to create footwear that stands the test of time. So we'll put an image up here of Taylor. He does Meanformes and we like do patterns, like we did the pattern with the Jim Greens. And it's really pretty cool because you take a 3-dimensional last, you tape it up, and then you cut it off the last and you can lay it flat. And so you don't have to start from a flat plane and then make it 3-dimensional to fit around the shoe. You start with a 3-dimensional tape, then lay it 2-dimensional so you can make your 2-dimensional pattern fit around your 3-dimensional last. It's pretty cool. So let's see what's what. Shall I use the James knife again after I almost cut through all those clothes? But it worked. Technically it worked. I didn't cut through the clothes. I jammed it. Oh, it's because that's not where it locks out small. That's where you can take out the blades. Oh, so that was wrong. That would be a cool feature. Have just like the tip hanging out. Okay. I wanted a pair of these for a really long time because the shape and the last that these are built on looks very comfortable. And like I said, the outsole, the way it's like made, it's just crazy. So let's see what Meanforme sent us. Yellow laces. I love yellow. Big fan of yellow. Nice waxed paper for the packaging. Dang, look at this thing. Oh my gosh. This is the weirdest shoe I've ever seen. Horween leather. This is weird. Look at this thing. That is ridiculous. What size is it? So there's US. Yeah, look how wide that thing is. Compare it to, what do I have here? Compare it to the shape of these Ons that I work out in. Look how wide that thing is. And what's crazy about it is this, I believe this is crepe rubber, a crepe rubber sheet. They take, once again, that two-dimensional flat sheet and wrap it up and around, almost like well, it is like a moccasin. It's like a moccasin-style construction, but with a crepe rubber outsole. I had no idea how like chunky these things are in real life, because this is like half an inch of rubber, and then it's just whip stitched the upper on, and then it has this weird little collar. I don't know what these are actually for, because ooh, look at that! Handcrafted limited edition 2025 with the famous Horween leather stamp. Horween is one of the most famous tanneries, arguably the most famous tannery in the world, because they just make really beautiful, really durable and unique leathers, because it's like chrome tan leather that's just packed to the max with conditioners and oils, and they've been around for over 100 years, making leather in Chicago for 100 years. But that is a weird looking shoe, isn't it? What is this one called? So this is the Scott & Q. We love releasing new ranges, and this one's next. Limited numbers in 2 colors coming soon. Oh, must be a new release for them then. So this is probably coming soon. So this will probably be dropping when you guys are watching this video. I want to know what this is all about. What is this? What is this like apron for? Make it into like a taller boot? Let's see what their other ones say. So the Hague has similar. It has this little flip down apron, but it has a stitch going up the middle. Oh, I wish they would explain like what this actually does. What? How do you not describe what this is? I want to know. Maybe if you guys want to see us cut in half, that might be a good opportunity to like tell the story and figure out what this is. Okay, let's look at the Hamilton. Oh, this one's cool. So this is like a mock toe stitch on top of like a moccasin style construction. Look at that. Harley. Is it a motorcycle boot? Ooh, I like that one. What is that leather? Long hair pony leather. What the heck? Those are cool. I want a pair of those. This brand is wild. This is like some of the weirder but cool shoes I've ever seen. I want to know yeah, I'm so curious about all this stuff. Okay, now let's look at Hipswell. Okay, Hipswell shares its sole-making method, sidewall stitch attachment, and closed butt seam apron. Oh, so I got it right. It is an apron. I just pulling names out of the air. It is an apron. An oversized suede collar flap oversized suede collar flap. So that adds a touch of individuality to this unique boot when worn. That's what they call these boots. That's cool. Oh, they got a fringe one. I like these. The blue suede with the fringe. Let's see what the Piper looks like. Oh, they just do the wackiest stuff. Look at that. Long hair cheetah leopard print pony leather. So it's pony leather too. Okay, the Rysdale. It's kind of like a Chukka style. I bet a lot of people like that. It's kind of Chukka. The Walkerville. A little bit more slim. A little bit more understated. So which one would I want? I think what I would do if I were to choose one of these, I think I would get the navy and gum, because it's got the fringe, so it's like really crazy. It's got the mock toe stitch for like that look, because that mock toe stitch will make this look a lot less visually wide, because rather one big sheet of leather, you've got that visual breaking up of the vamp with that mock toe stitch. I like the fringe, or I like the little apron, but with the fringe is like really like Native American style. Yeah, these are sick. But this one's pretty cool too. I like the black and like burgundy color. Okay, now it's enough time looking at their website. Let's see what's on the inside of here. Little stuffing paper. They smell like mushrooms. Let's pull the insole out. Dang, look at that. That's like a 2x4. Oh, this insole is interesting. This is one of the weirder shoes I've ever reviewed or unboxed. Might be the weirdest of all time. This might be the weirdest shoe I've ever unboxed. Because like this is a really interesting material. It's really hard, it's really dense. I bet it's like a air-infused rubber. Recycled polyurethane base, also it's polyurethane. Okay, then underneath, so how does this work? Because I see this stitch. It looks like there's this shape for the lasting material, and then sewn on is like a sidewall piece of leather, and then this top piece of leather is sewn through the rubber and that leather, because that makes a lot of sense, because this rubber is probably not the strongest stuff. You could probably just pull through it if you really wanted to. And so to back it with leather makes a lot of sense. And then I don't think there's anything else underneath. I think you're standing on this, a piece of leather, and then this crepe rubber. These shoes are wild. Okay, let's try them on. Got a size US 10. I'm a 10 on the Brannock. Woo, those feel weird. So my toe goes to there. So I would go true to Brannock. You know, my end of my toe's there. Whoa, these feel so weird. Because it has like the seamless sidewall feel of a moccasin, like a Russell moccasin. But the toe is really, really slim. Like this leather is sitting on top of my toe right now. You can see like the little bump. Yeah, these are gonna be crazy once you get them worn in. So those are comfy. Yeah, those are cool. They definitely are wide. There's no mistaking it. That's why I think I'd want the mock toe version. What the heck? These are, yeah, for sure. These are the weirdest shoes I've ever unboxed. Probably even like the weirdest shoes we've done in general. Okay, well, true to Brannock, I'd order your Brannock size. So, Meanforme, if you want to see this cut, please support this video, because I want to cut it. Because I love these moccasin style constructions. We've really gone over it and really gone in depth with the Russell moccasins. Wild. Two weird, unique, like innovative brands in Sumus and Meanforme. Cool. Okay, well, let me know what you think. If you want to see these cuts, support this video, because if this video gets good views, I can justify making a video on this. If it doesn't get good views, it's hard to justify it. So support the videos you want to see on the main channel, and check out Meanforme. One of the more unique, weird, like completely distinct from any other shoe I've ever cut in half. Check out Meanforme, pretty cool. And they're handmade. They have all like Horween leathers, like pony hair, like long pony hair leather. Crazy. So thank you guys. See ya. Pony boy. Oh, pony boy.